Hi, Sarah here by beautiful Henham Lake. I'll show you how to get into crow pose. So we're going to do it without props. Start warming up your wrist by circling your hands around your wrists, and at the same time start to circle your feet around your ankles. So there's two ways you can prep your crow pose. One is you can use blocks, you can use straps, you can use your props, but I'm going to show you a really simple way if you're at home or you're on a bridge and you don't have anything else but your mat. So when you come into crow pose, you want to come down nice and low into a little squat position. And first of all, think about your hands. So you want to spread your fingers super wide apart and then place them on the ground underneath your shoulders. So your hands are shoulder width apart. You're pressing down into the palms and into the fingertips. So you feel really secure, like you've got a good grip there. And then you lift your hips, you step your feet in, and you keep your heels up. So what you want to do is also keep your bum up. If I show you sideways, you want to keep heels up, bum up. If you drop the heels and bum, you're going to try and come into your crow and it's just going to look a bit sad and flop like this. So it's a mistake lots of us make at beginners. We're doing this, but So see if you can remember the hands, really plug down into them because they're taking all your weight. And then you lift up your bum, make sure your feet are close enough that you can get the shoulders above the wrists, heels stay high, knees start to find the outside of your arms. So you want it to be nice and high up. Maybe you can even see that divot between your shoulder and your bicep. You want to aim for that. From there, you look forward, squeeze the knees into the sides of the arms, bend the elbows slightly backwards, and just rock forward and back, checking that you stay looking forward. You don't drop your gaze because your attention goes where your energy and focus is. So if you look at this from the front, it looks like this, rocking like this. And then from there, maybe you pick up one set of toes, maybe you pick up the other set of toes, have a little play around like that, until you feel really comfortable. So you can take it in stages. You don't have to go any further than this until you feel comfortable. And then maybe when you feel comfortable, you can start to pick up both set of toes. You bring the big toes to touch, you use your core to lift you higher, you stay looking forward, you begin to straighten the arms, and see if you can hold it for a minute. That's the true holy grail of your crow pose. There are slightly more advanced variations. You can get into Bakasana, crane pose, by putting the knee into the back of the armpit and lifting up nice and high. So you can always give that one a go if you want to. And then you can also transition by jumping back into plank. Another nice transition is to drop your head and go into tripod headstand. So from crow, you can have a lot of fun playing around with variations. I hope that helps, and we'll do another tutorial soon using props at home. Thank you.